everybody. This is Dinesh from Vancouver Film School. Vancouver Film School is one of the top schools for entertainment and creative arts in the world over 30 years. We provide all the programs right from acting to film production, game design to UI UX, writing to animation, and many more. Canam has been one of our top agent partners for many years, producing quality students, especially for Canada. So I request you to please book an appointment with our Vancouver Film School desk number 89 with the help of your Canam counselor to meet us up between 9th April to 19th April, anywhere between 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. We'll be there to assist you and help you with any such questions or inquiries you have to study at Vancouver Film School in Canada. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.